As the legal battle between the SEC and the crypto firms heats up, a new filing hints that Coinbase and XRP may win in court. The SEC's decision to turn down Coinbase's case shows that they have a strong opinion. The cases that Ripple has won against the SEC in the past set a standard, but Judge Tour's decision that XRP sales and exchanges are not securities offers is new. Even though the SEC made a case, this ruling could tip the balance to support cryptocurrency platforms like Coinbase. Don't forget to like, share, and follow. Now let's begin. Now we're going up with breaking. The next important day in this SEC vs. Ripple case is May 13th, 2024. On May 13th, 2024, this is what we see parties and any third parties file omnibus letter motions to seal all materials linked to the remedies briefing, such as briefs, declarations, and supporting exhibits. Parties and any third parties can also file plans to cut down on these products. The parties and any third parties file letter papers against omnibus letter motions to seal on May 20th, 2024. The parties would also have to file public shortened versions of all the documents within 14 days of the court's decision on the omnibus sealing motions if the joint plan goes through. Submitted with respect by Andrew Sieresny. Mark is making a very important point, so let me put it in context. Japan was one of the places that said XRP wasn't a security, but our SEC said that XRP itself was a security, even though the law didn't back them up. While filing a lawsuit, the SEC even said that our XRP would still be a security, even if a different government made it a currency. Imagine how cocky it would be for us officials to try to take over another country's government. That's our secret government at work, and it wasn't just Japan. XRP was labeled as a non-security coin by Switzerland, Singapore, the UK, the UAE, and other countries. In all of those countries, I worked with users and holders, and many of them had never heard of Ripple, Greg Alleyhouse, or Chris Larsson. That being said, it's hard to believe what a company or person you've never heard of does or says. 75,000 holders from the US and 143 other countries around the world came to me for help. I did it for free, and a lifelong Democrat who was nominated by Barack Obama and recommended by Sen. Gillibrand agreed with me and my 75,000 holders that Xrp itself is not a security and that buying it on exchanges like Coinbase does not break us law. Related to the statements I provided in the case and the work I did as Naomi Brookwell's lawyer in the library.com case. Don't ever tell me that one person can't make a change or that the government can't be beat. That and my success over Warren in November will be our next big win against government intrusion and oppression. That being said, I do need all the help I can get. Yes, that's what we need to give John Dayton. Next, it will only be a matter of time before the XRP hits a new high in the fall. Final decision, bank merger, the IPO of Ripple, and XRP ETFs. This year could be a big one for people who own XRP. What SAC thinks about the court win for Ripple and XRP. There are still new developments in the legal battle between the US Securities and Exchange Commission and the cryptocurrency business. In a recent document, the SEC turned down Coinbase's request for an appeal from a religious group. That sheds light on how the agency feels about the number set by the previous court case involving Ripple Labs. There is hope for crypto in Ripple vs. SEC. It was partly a win for Ripple Labs in its case against the SEC in July 2023. Annalisa Torres, a judge, said that selling Xrp automatically on Bitcoin exchanges did not count as selling securities. This difference is very important because offering stocks is regulated by the SEC and needs to be registered. It seemed like the judge's ruling meant that XRP that is sold on exchanges is not a security. But the SEC has taken a different stance in its current case against Coinbase, a cryptocurrency exchange based in the US. The SEC says that Coinbase has been making it easier to trade unregistered stocks by letting people list digital assets on sites other than its own. This goes against what Judge Torres said in the Ripple case, since the SEC is arguing a single case. As the SEC said, it is making an opposition to Coinbase's appeals request. The decision made in the Ripple case has not been followed by any other court. This shows that the SEC saw the Ripple decision as a one-time thing that didn't have much to do with other cases, like the one against Coinbase. Possible effects on the crypto business. Legal experts such as pro-XRP lawyer Bill Morgan have spoken out about the situation. Morgan says that if the SEC wins its cases against the other cryptocurrency companies, while the Ripple ruling about programmatic sales stays alone, it could create a unique situation, and Ripple might be able to keep doing its programmatic sales even. Though it hasn't registered with the SEC, however, this legal win might not protect the whole crypto business. Crypto CEO sees one event coming up that will be good for XRP. Cryptocurrency experts are very optimistic about XRP, and some think the price will go up a lot in the next few months. People are feeling good because they are looking forward to the release of new economic data that could have an effect on the crypto market as a whole. If prices goes down, XRP could go up. Matthew Dixon, CEO of the crypto rating site of I think that the upcoming release of consumer price index data will have the most impact on the price of XRP. If inflation rates are lower than projected, it could mean that prices are going down in the US. If this happens, the Federal Reserve might think about lowering interest rates. For riskier investments like cryptocurrencies, lower interest rates are usually a good thing. When interest rates are low, investors are more likely to put their money into these assets because they have a higher chance of making money than traditional fixed income investments. Dixon thinks that this will be a trigger for XRP's price, which could push it to over 62 cents. Plus, bullish tactical signs make people feel better. Other crypto experts' tactical analysis also backs up Dixon's view. To $1.68 on a symmetrical triangle seen on XRP's chart. A rise around this triangle could cause prices to go up by a lot. Crypto, a crypto expert, is more optimistic and says XRP is going to hit $5.89. The analyst points out that XRP's weekly charts have recently formed 2 bullish candles and 2 bearish candles, which means that the price has been going down since early April. Crypto says that a weekly close above $0.57 7 strong. If it closes below 50 cents, on the other hand, it could mean that prices are going down, which could change the current price structure. People believe that XRP has the ability to make a big move. A lot of people in the crypto industry agree with Crypto that XRP will eventually make a parabolic breakout. Over 60% of people who answered a recent poll by the analyst think that XRP will not miss out on the current crypto bull run. This strong community opinion makes the outlook even more positive for the XRP. That's pretty much all the information we have for today's video. If you want to see more, don't forget to follow, like, and share. See you in the next video and have a nice day.